Yay! We got some fun shit today. Shit, guys. So, pretty much got back into training and shit like that, but when I was at work, fucker got rained out. It's pretty mean. Yes! Oh no, we're Gucci. You're Gucci. You're Gucci. Alright, hey, don't worry. I'll be following you the whole way. Fuck. I think the river's running. I'm not sure. Sorry for the swearing. It's just, you know, a little excited. I gotta learn how to I gotta learn how to express my excitement a little bit better. The motivation, you know what I mean? The confidence is finally back. I did have to go through some trials and tribulations, but got through them and shit, you know, just loving things, you know, feeling the rain, as they say.
For the rest of my life, I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true, to the end of my time. I'll be loving you.
So, yeah, you know, just appreciating shit. Excuse me. Appreciating shit. Appreciating things. I've been, you know, not really seeing things as, I haven't been noticing things for what they're worth. You know, when you're going through things, it's easier to kind of be like, so not doing certain things also fucks with you. You got to get into a habit, guys. You got to get back into your habits. Like, I wasn't training. There was a little over a month I wasn't training. I messed up my leg. If you guys watch my other videos, I had a big hematoma. I kind of fucked it up during work. But I'm back training. It's fun. Since I was not training, took a step back, got a broader view of what I want to do during practice. But yeah, I got some video of that too.
I mean, like, if you actually, like, if you want to start speaking Irish, speak Irish, bro. Yeah, like, 100 years of flatline people. Whatever. Okay, I don't. That's gonna be the only one that left, bro. Michael actually messaged me yesterday. He was like, I need to be back in there. And I was like, I'm not in here too, bro. Well, dude, we have the morning class might be a little bit close to that drive. But if you can get off work, I mean, to school, come straight here, bro. Like, I think the morning class would be a good, like, walk back in. Yeah. Or a Wednesday class like this, bro. We've been hella short lately, bro. Tomorrow I'm gonna be teaching kickboxing, and I guarantee you there's 6 people there. I'm gonna try to see them. I go back to work tomorrow, so it's like, I don't know if I'll be able to get I would not. I remember one day I had to work overnight shift right after ethos, so I went like 30 something hours without sleep. That's a great thing.
So the inspirational, I don't know. There's a couple comments that I might put in. If I put it in here, goddamn, I'm risking it. But in general, yes, I was trying to work on entering and exiting the void a little bit better. I built my legs up a little bit more. Leg strength was my biggest flaw. My style needed it to, you know, carry my stamina and conditioning. Without strength, can't really build too much stamina. No, you can build stamina, but I don't think you can build conditioning. Either or, there's something amongst there where I had to get my legs more I had to get my legs stronger. It helps. So it helps. Like it really does help, especially with movement and things like that. So in general, my sparring went the way I kind of wanted it to. Wasn't really concentrating on putting punches in there, but it's more so on trying to beat them with movement. So my first round was with Big Sean. He was sharp. He was sharp. Like this big bastard. Like I was very surprised. Didn't trigger him for a minute. Leg kicks was heavy. Like every time he kicked me, I moved. The second round was Judo Josh, nicest guy in the gym. One of them. There, we got a bunch of nice guys, but he's a little bit, I would say sensitive because, as you can see, we're not going hard. We're moving, we're working technique, but he doesn't like to go hard in sparring. And then, whoa. So now there is this brother, man. I want to put his name in there, but I don't know if he wants an online handle, so I'm just gonna leave his name blank for now. But he's one of my favorite guys to spar with. His style is a little bit different. It's a lot more long and shit. Yeah, I couldn't really get a really good beat on him. He was moving around. And then after a while, we started fucking goofing around. Last round, though. The last round that I went on 4 rounds, sure, I could have won more, but I didn't because freaking wussed out. Was Big Luke. As you can see, he got the body of a Greek guy. He has the power to take a guy out with one punch. He's strong enough to do that. His kicks is very good. I'm kind of disappointed that he didn't use too much of it. He did throw a couple kicks here and there, but he wasn't really implemented it in his combinations. He is very reserved. Like he wasn't really, taking a lot of. He wasn't taking a lot of chances. I think he was waiting for me to come in. It was very difficult for me to kind of gauge what he was trying to do. He wasn't really biting on too much of my, pawing. I was trying to paw half-assed, so he comes in. He did it once or twice, I think, but other than that, he was very, very disciplined. He didn't go over. He didn't, he's getting better. Every time we're going in, he's getting better. So yeah, that was the training, guys. So in general, I'm changing it up. I was treating my videos like a journal. I was trying to fucking put my heart out there when I necessarily didn't need to. A lot of guys, some guys got to. You look at a lot of streamers, they fucking put their heart out every fucking day. But other than that, guys, yeah. Fucking motivation, guys. We're trying to be positive. There's enough drama, there's enough sadness in the world. It's hard to look away. There's guys that want you to be sad because of what they want. But at the end of the day, somebody gotta smile. Let it be us. Let us lead the world with a smile. Let's make somebody's day brighter. Hopefully I made your day brighter. Fucking who knows. Other than that, guys, you have a great day. Aloha now.